Hi guys, this is Isa in another video, and today I will show you PrintStick latest release, the fall sticker bundle. So this is a sticker album. As you can see, the colors are kind of like for fall. There will be one bundle released per season. This is the first one. There will be one released for winter, spring, and summer. So as usual, this is your dashboard. You have links to my social media and the shop. You can just tap on them, click yes, and the website will open. Then you come to your index where you have all these labels that you can remove if you want. They are just like stickers, so you can lasso them and delete them or reposition them. This is everything that's included, and all these numbers are linked. So if I tap on number 4, this is the section that is going to open. Once I'm at any page of the album, I can just click on the spiral in the middle and it'll take me back to my index page. And also you have these tabs up here. So section number 1 has the one right here, section number 2 is this one right here, etc. So I'm gonna show you everything that's included. So I'm gonna go to the first section where it says check boxes. You have these check boxes, but actually you also have some other half boxes over here. Of course, these are ready to be used, so all you have to do is select your lasso tool from up here, lasso the sticker that you want to use, tap on the selection that you just made, click on copy, then go to your planner, tap and hold on any page, click on paste, and then you have the sticker ready to use. Tap once more and you can resize and place exactly where you want it. So I'll go back to my index to move on to the second section, which is countdown. So you have kind of like this fall countdown, but really this works as date covers as well, because you have from the number 0 all the way through the number 31, so it could work for any month. And you have some blank leaves here in case you want to enter your own numbers or letters or anything else. And of course, you also have your Halloween countdown. So again, you have 31 boxes and they have different icons all the way from 31 days to 1 day until Halloween and then Halloween. Next we have the dates section, and so here basically you have date covers in colors that can work for Halloween, and then just colors that would look great in any fall layout in your planner. You also have these words that combined with the leaves, for example, you can make your own dates. You could copy this, for example, go to your planner. Since this is an undated planner, I can make my own dates. Then I'm gonna go choose one of these leaves that we just saw, copy, tap and hold on my planner page, resize, and that way I can make my own date covers. Next we have these icon section. So basically you have some general icons in matching colors, and you also have some social media icons in all these different colors. Next you have the Thanksgiving section. Here you have 4 sheets of just Thanksgiving stickers. You have your turkey, you have these pumpkins, your pie, some food, and of course your leaves. So this is to decorate any fall spread. It's gonna look really cute. Next you have this little Day of the Dead section. So you have all these skulls that again you can use to decorate your spread for Day of the Dead or Halloween. Next we have our Halloween section. I think this is my favorite. You have all these amazing drawings that actually my good friend Kevin Summers drew. They are so super cute. So you have everything you need to decorate your Halloween spread. You actually have 2 sheets. You also have these circle stickers. And next you have a page with washi. It matches the colors of the season. Remember, you can crop this and turn it into a smaller stripe or do different things. I'm gonna link down below my video to the washi tutorial so you get the most out of this section. Next you have your color kits. So that was color kits 1 and 2. That means that it's the exact same color kit in 2 color combinations. So this is the first one. It's 3 sheets almost of stickers. All of these, you know, are in matching colors, and then if you keep swiping you have the next color kit, and this is more for like Halloween themed colors. You have some green, some purple, gray, but it's the exact same stickers, just the colors change. Next, you have your sampler kit, and this kit comes in the colors of the season, and you have all these different stickers. You have a bunch of icons you can use for everyday life. You have your boxes. It's kind of like a little bit of everything, and this is great, especially if you're just starting out and you want to know what type of stickers you're gonna use, or if you're not starting out and you want to have options, then this is for you. There's a few more. Next, you have this weekly kit. So the boxes are not just the fall thing colored. You actually have like pumpkins and apples, and it kind of really tells you that it's the fall season. So you have 3 pages and these extra icons. And lastly, you have your papers section. One more time, these I have a full tutorial teaching you how you can use these to make your own stickers, your own headers, or your own washi. But basically, you would use your lasso tool to make a selection on one of the papers. Really, you want to select as much of the paper as you want, so you have more room to create your sticker. Tap on your selection, and this time, because this is not a sticker, it's a paper, so it only offers to take a screenshot. Tap there. Then tap on this little export button on the top right corner and select copy. Go to your planner, tap and hold, click on paste, and as you can see, your selection, which turned into a perfect rectangle, is turned into an object or a sticker really. So from here you could rotate, but also you can tap again, click on crop, and then you can crop, turn into a square, or for example here I can try and make a full box for my planner. So just try to calculate where that would be with your rectangle option selected down here. Click on done, and as you can see, it's a little bit taller than I needed. I have 2 options. I can either place a header on top to cover the little extra right here, or I can just tap and hold again, click on edit, tap once more, click on crop, and then just bring this line down a little bit to see if I can make it more exact. And I think I got it. So you have your very own full box that you made from this paper. So you have 4 sheets with 12 different options. These are just solid colors, and these have, you know, some icons for fall with pumpkins and these yellow orange colors. Of course, you also have them for Halloween. So I can't wait, guys, to see what ideas you come up with decorating your spreads with these papers. This is kind of like, you can use it more like a background. Let me see if I can do it right now. Again, select with your lasso tool, take screenshot, copy, go to your planner. I want to use it here. Let's see if I can get it right quickly. I'm gonna crop it. So let's see, maybe something like that, because it's like a skinny portion, but I want to get as much as I can from the image. So let's try that. So I need to get rid of a little bit of the side here. So as you can see, you can keep cropping and adjusting until you get it just right. And then you have like a sidebar with this haunted mansion for Halloween. Then you have your white spread, so you can copy this page and place it behind any section of the album, so you can add stickers of your own. Next, you have another 2 blank pages, but these are not white, they are gray. So if you place any white stickers, you can see where they are. The same, but then this is a yellow color in case you have super light gray stickers or white. And then you come to your back cover. Alright guys, so that was it. This is everything that's included in this fall sticker bundle. I'm gonna leave the link to it down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any tutorials or any videos that I upload. There's a new one coming every few days. If you have any questions at all, just leave me a comment. I always get back to you. And let me know in the comments, are you ready for Halloween? Is this a theme that you like, or you don't care much for it? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye!